You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more names of famous places in Mexico in particular, make sure to stay tuned. So we need to listen to the Spanish pronunciation, Monte, which obviously means mountain. Monte Albán, Albán, that's how it's pronounced in Spanish. There's a accent on the an syllable, so you need to stress on it. Monte Albán, Monte Albán. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.